Hello everyone, Nasir here from Financial Markets Club. Time to have a look at crude oil. This chart's Brent crude oil, as you can see, and we've had crude oil just gradually falling ever since it broke that key support around the 96-ish level. In my last video, I was talking about how Brent crude oil could be reaching between 90 to 85, and here we are a month later, and we have sort of entered that zone. So that worked out quite well.
So if you traded based on my previous analysis, let me know how it went for you in the comments below. It'd be really nice to know how my analysis is helping people out with the trading, and it's just motivation for me. So share your results and let's see how it's going. If you haven't been making any profits on this, where the analysis has been pretty accurate, then there must be something wrong with the trading strategy. So yeah, feel free to reach out to me. Let's see if I can help you identify the issues with the trading strategy and help you become profitable. It's been quite a while I've been doing this analysis, and I've been recording and documenting everything actually. So I'm just going to quickly head over to my website and show you a quick snapshot of my progress. And as you can see, to date, my sort of success rate on getting my analysis right is about 68%. And on the right, I've got some statistics where I show the sort of gains and losses that have been taken over this time period. Naturally, I can't be 100% correct, otherwise I'd be holding a crystal ball. I'd know exactly what's happening on the markets in the future. With respect, anybody who claims they've got an accuracy rate of about 90% or above, I think is outrageous, to be honest. But here we are on the right side. You can see that I do take some losses, but the profits that are taken are substantially higher. In fact, my profits that are taken are 10 times more than the losses that are taken. So overall, that helps any traders to stay on the profitable side. So I'm hoping that you're following my analysis and making the most out of this. If you haven't joined my VIP service yet, then just pop over to my website and join today and enjoy the benefits of my analysis.
So as you can see, it's been a difficult ride. It's just gradually moving down and a lot of sideways movement. So oil's been in a confused state for quite a while now, for the last good few months actually. Prior to that, things were quite predictable to a certain extent, especially between March to around July. I really liked oil during that period because there was a lot of for me at least, there was a lot of predictability, and as soon as it broke this sort of 96 level, it became worrisome. However, I see some interesting things happening here actually. If I just zoom back in, um, so the question is, where's oil going to bottom out, and is it going to head back up anywhere near the tops that it's had? We got quite close to 140 back in March, and I still feel that we could see 140 again, if not more, to be honest. But it's going to be quite a long wait. Um, First step, of course, is to work out, are we done with oil in terms of hitting the bottom, or is there more to go? And looking at my chart, I would imagine there's a bit more to go actually. I could see crude oil sort of pulling back to around the 84-ish level at least, if not more. If it does pull lower than 84, then I think we're easily going to hold on, I'm gonna have to squeeze this actually. We're easily going to around the 80, between 75 to 80. So I would look to watch crude oil closely around this 84-ish level. If we're going lower, then comfortably we're going to go down to 80, possibly something in between 75 to 80, and that might be the last push down. I can't be sure just yet. Once it gets there, I'll have to have another look, but in terms of my sort of what I'm anticipating, I've got some key levels around here. I'm anticipating things to sort of bottom out around here, and then we probably will position, or rather crude oil will position itself for a huge move up, to be honest. And again, we'll find some sort of geopolitical reasons for that coming out nearer the time. So for now, crude oil is a difficult trade, but if you can play this, then there's a lot of money to be made. I mean, if I talk about the near term, I would expect, hold on, let me just if I talk about the near term, I would expect to do a short somewhere around the 94-ish level. If I could get that short around the 94-ish level, I'd be happy taking this down to 84. That's a good $10 catch. You know, a year ago you couldn't do a $10 catch in such a short time frame. So that's a brilliant catch. And obviously, if you're brave enough to hold it down to 80, so then you're looking at a $14 plus catch. So that's substantial for a quick oil trade. So yeah, for now, I would imagine there's a little bit more downward movement to go on crude oil when and if it does get around closer to 80, possibly a little bit lower. So let's just say between 75 to 80, I'd be looking for buy signals and looking to do some long-term buys on crude oil.
Also, if I could ask you to just throw in a quick like on my video, please, and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on my videos as they come up. Really appreciate the support, and let's try and grow this channel to help out as many people as possible.